What's going on, guys? Gary Jaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope everybody feeling safe and is fine. Let's begin right away because I got very exciting news right here. This is the Tamron 70-300mm f4.5 6.3 for your Sony mirrorless camera. Very excited how this one will perform, because I think, you know, I love Tamron lenses. I don't have any real bad experience with Tamron lenses actually, so I think this one will be great as well. So here it is, the new Tamron 70-300, and this comes here in the Netherlands just for 699 euros. So that is very affordable for such a thing. Oh my goodness. Ooh, hope you can see that in the overhead cam. Think so, should be fine. Got some thingies here and there, but I'm interested in this. Ooh, wow, that's a huge lens cap, man, or lens hood. Ooh. Look how big that is. Wow, it's very lightweight, man. I'm shocked. I'm truly shocked, guys. And as you see, it is a very Tamron-like lens because it doesn't have any additional things whatsoever, no buttons. But as always, a weather sealing gasket, which is really nice, and always the same. What was again? 67 mils of a filter thread, something like that, right? 62 maybe even. I'm not even sure. How can I check that real quickly? Maybe on the box. 67mm filter thread or filter size. So that's cool. All those Tamron lenses for your Sony mirrorless camera have the same filter thread. Then you can use just one filter. Let's put the lens hood on it. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Man. Wow. Alright. Let's see, let's switch things up a bit. We're gonna put the camera all the way to the back, and then we can see how the image quality looks at f4.5. Alright, cool. As you see, it's all the way to the back. You can even see my microphone right now. Is the microphone working? Yes, the microphone is working. And you can also see my overhead cam. That is the Sony a6000. Let's do a little quick autofocus test. Does it focus on the lens? I cannot see it from here. A little bit too far. Again, I don't know. I'm gonna test it out in the field. I'm gonna check out. I think I'm going back to the what was it called again? The Waterduinse Waterleidingtuinen, something like that, here in the Netherlands. It's near Zandvoort. If you ever been in the Netherlands, you know that place. There you can shoot some deer and shoot some foxes. And what I mean with shooting, I mean taking photographs, not really shooting with a gun or whatsoever. Alright, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you want to see the full review. And also going to show you some photos, like real first shots. But so far, you know, I'm very impressed with the weight actually for such a long range and such a lightweight lens. Very impressive. So that's good to have in your bag, such a long range and then with such a low weight. That's cool. Alright, that's all, guys. As always, stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next video.